Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're just watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and also comment in the comment section below. And for returning subscribers, thank you all so much. I really do appreciate your love and support towards me. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to tie this gele. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share if this video helps you in any way. I love you guys so much. So the first thing that I did was to fold the edges of the ASO'OKE because I'm using an ASO'OKE right now. Thereafter, I made pleats. So if you're going to be doing this on yourself, you really need to make sure that you have a mirror in front of you so that your pleats come out really well and nice. So guys, the rule for this gele tutorial today is 70-30. One hand of your ASO'OKE has to really be longer than the other hand of your ASO'OKE. So at this point, I'm just trying to make my pleats. I'm going to make sure that they are well laid so that everything looks really beautiful and nice. If you follow these simple steps I'm showing you all today, this is really not going to be difficult at all. So you can tie this on yourself, and you can also be able to achieve this on your model or your client. So guys, at this point I'm going to start making my fan. All I'm going to do is to make sure that one hand holds the gele down, it holds the pleats down, while the other hand picks the pleats. And while doing this, I'm also going to make sure that I'm tracing the pleats down towards the other side of my face so that I do not lose any pleats at all, and so that this comes out really beautiful and nice. So follow the simple steps and you're definitely going to get what I am doing. So I'm done making my pleats at this point. I'm just going to twist the remaining part of the fabric to the back of my head, and I'm going to pin that there in a way that it's firm and secured so that it doesn't unravel at any point at all. Moving on, I'm going to pick the 30 part of my ASO'OKE, and I'm just going to make pleats the same way I did with the 70 part of my ASO'OKE. I'm just going to repeat the same thing over again, but the only difference is that this particular hand of the ASO'OKE is shorter than the other hand of the ASO'OKE. So guys, this point of this tutorial that I'm going to talk about right now is really crucial, as it is the beauty of the style of this gele. So the length of the ASO'OKE that I am holding right now is 12, while the width is 5. So I'm just going to make pleats the same way you can see me do in this video. And after making your pleats, you have to make sure that you pin everything. You just hold everything either with a needle and thread or a pin, so that everything stays secured at the middle and so that it doesn't unravel. It comes out really beautiful and neat if you use your needle and thread that has the same color of the gele that you are tying. It comes out really neat. So I'm just going to hold that at the middle of the pleats that I have created so that everything stays secured and very fine. Thereafter, I'm going to be holding the edges of the fabric, that the pleats that I've created. I'm just going to hold the edges so that it gives me a round shape, the way you can see me do in this video. So guys, this is about the end of this tutorial. I'm just going to pick the pleated ASO'OKE that I have in my hand, and I'm going to place it where the 70 parts of the ASO'OKE and the 30 parts of the ASO'OKE meet. I'm just going to pin everything right there properly so that it looks really neat and nice. So at this point guys, I'm just going to arrange everything that I've done properly so that it looks really good and beautiful. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section. Guys, if you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. I love you all so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.